Ladies and gents, my first video for my new channel since my old channel is misbehaving. We are in Liverpool Street. It's the middle of April 2022 and here I am starting from zero. It is what it is.
Baby trying to be cheap, rockin' I caught the system. Baby trying to be cheap, yeah. Nobody blame it on me. Coming with your wine, and you think so you are blind. Go and celebrating, and then my walking dead. So, blame it on the victim, rockin' I caught the system.
Perfect, thank you. Ciao. Oh my goodness, you see. content galore in London. Liverpool Street Station. Not as busy because it's not the time. It's not the time of the day.
Entrambe le volte c'era fantasia.
One of my subscribers is obsessed with black cabs. So Android system, if you are watching, these black cabs are for you. Crazy obsession. He's been commenting for a year now. Every time he sees a black cab, he asks for one of them to be sent as a present to him. So the least I can do is to film them every time I see them. Oh, we've got tulips. Spring is in the air. Let's make the most of it. For the ladies out there, Canadian girl's mommy, Lotus, and all the girls watching, this is for you if you like flowers. It's not gonna be here forever. We better film it while we can. It's incredible to walk around without being worried about network compared to live streaming. This is so easy, so easy. I miss chatting to you guys, of course, but at the same time I can just go to any little place without being worried.
you out. So that, you know that when we got the whole fluid,
let me see the time on my second phone. Right now is almost 2 p.m. So everybody is still at work. Oh, that's a nice view. So yeah, today's 14th of April. I'm losing track of time. It's middle of April already. Oh my goodness, that's crazy. Temperature, checking on my second phone, says around 19 degrees. No rain today. I don't have my umbrella with me. I'm extremely happy about that. So yeah, 19 degrees, that's very good. No jacket, I've got only sweater on me. Feel amazing.
Just don't really have to dress smartly.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I wish I could show you the rest of the building. Very pretty.
I don't think any of it's happened.
I'm going to keep these videos only 15 to 20 minutes long since it's a new channel and once Once it's gonna get some momentum, I'll be doing hour plus as my usual. But for now, I have to keep it short and sweet, as they say. Oh, it's busy here. I hate coming to these places with a camera, I really do. But that's what people want to see. So here I am. Oh, what is this? We've got some art going on. "14 minutes, that's good enough." My first video. Let's keep it lazy, let's stay lazy. I'm gonna go back there and start my second video of the day, another short one. So I'm going to finish this one, start in that market, and continue to city center. Let's do this. Thank you so much for watching, ladies and gents, and I'll see you in the next one. I'm just going to show you this beautiful view here. Actually, I may walk around this place first, and then go back to the busy market. Anyway, guys, see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.